Let me show you how to use Seedance 2 for free. First of all, type martini.art in browser. Now log in with your Gmail account. You will see this type of interface. Click on Seedance 2. I am going to create video using reference image. You can use frame, where you need to provide start and end image. Write prompt for the video. For now I am going to use simple prompt. You can also change the model as well. I am going with the existing one. You can adjust the duration, but make sure it cuts point as per the duration. Choose aspect ratio and click on generate. Wait for few minutes. You will see an amazing video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.